So next chapter, so he does not have numbers, but just a topic, a Friday night Kiddush, the obligation. There is a mitzvah in the Torah to recite Kiddush on Friday night, based on the pasuk that it tells us Zachor, to remember Shabbos, which we additionally interpret to mean the mentioning Shabbos. Okay, so from the beginning we see that mitzvah of Kiddush on Friday night is from the Torah. It's very, very important. So it's very, very different and much more strict from Kiddush that we do on Shabbos morning. Shabbos morning it's from rabbis, from the Rabbanan, right? But this one is much more stricter. Women are obligated in this mitzvah just as much as men. Okay, despite the fact that there is a mitzvah that comes at a set time. So it's very interesting. So as we said before, most of the mitzvahs, not all of the mitzvahs, but most of the mitzvahs that are connected to time that you can do only a specific time. So women are not obligated. Like for example, we said saying Shema, right? It's only a specific time, or Daven Shacharis, it's only a specific time. So she's not obligated, but there is other things that she is obligated, right? But this one, this Friday night Kiddush, even though it is specific time, right after we accepted Shabbos, so she is still obligated. Why? Because it's a Torah commandment. Since in the Har Sinai, Hashem announced the Chor and Shamor simultaneously, they compared to each other. Just as a woman are commanded to guard the Shabbos from the prohibitive commandments, they are also commanded in the positive commandments. That's very interesting. So, and we have to elaborate on it. So, even though women are not obligated in some of the positive commandments, they all of them obligated in all of the negative commandments. Right, so they just they're not allowed to violate any negative commandment, right? And it's very interesting. So how this I'm trying to see, it's this explanation is from Shulchan Aruch, 271:2. Okay, so he said when Hashem said Zachor v'Shamor, like two words meaning. Garden and enjoy, right? So it corresponds to the positive mitzvah that you have to do, like active mitzvah, and some things to stay away. And since it was said simultaneously as one, like in the same saying as only Hashem can do, right? So since they are obligated in all of the negative, right, all of the prohibition, they in this case, this specific case, they are also obligated in positive commandments of the Shabbos.